that John, Mike, and Carol were given some concert tickets to sell. Okay, each concert ticket costs about $5. Highlight it first. John sold 3/5 of the tickets. Let me do some drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this portion here is sold by John. Okay, John, 3/5. Okay, of the concert tickets. The number of tickets sold was 1/3 that sold by Mike. This may be causing some confusion for you, but then nevertheless, it's very easy. Okay, first see So if this is sold by John, this whole thing here is what? Carol and Mike, correct? But here says that Carol sold 1 and then Mike sold 3, correct? Let me put here, Carol sold was 1/3 of that sold by Mike. Okay, so here Carol is what? 1 and then Mike is 3. Okay, so very easy here, right? This is okay. Let me draw here. This is the one sold by Carol and Mike, right? So 1 and 3. Carol is 1. Then here is 3. 3. So here is Carol. And here over here is Mike. Okay? You have this very easy. Then you know that John sold 35 tickets more than Carol. Oh, okay. Now I know that John, when I'm comparing John and Carol, John sold 35 tickets more than Carol. Okay, this information, I got it. Okay. How many tickets did that sell altogether? Okay, very easy, right? If you were to notice that, here is Carol, the fraction for Carol is 1/1, 2, 3, 4. 4. The fraction for Mike is actually 3/4. Okay? So Carol sold how much when you go back to this big picture? This big picture, you remember they come from the remaining here, right? The fraction that Carol sold, here should be 2/5. The fraction that Carol sold of Carol sold will be 1/4 times 2/5. Will actually give me 1/10. Okay? Then I want to know what is the fraction that Mike sold. Fraction that Mike sold will be equals to 3/4 times 2/5. Because they come from this remaining here 2/5. They come from this remaining here 2/5. So if I want to bring them back into the big picture, I must times them, right? Times here the 2/5. And then what is the value that I will have? It will give me, so it will be 3/10. Okay? Very obvious. Here is 10 and 10. I can easily draw. And then here I must convert it into 10. If I were to convert this to 10, when 3/4, because John is 3/5, right? Convert to 10 here times 2 times 2. I will have 6/10. I can draw them all into one bar. Okay? So, total is 10. Carol fraction is actually 1 unit. Mike will be 3 unit. Okay. Maybe this should be less confusing. Okay. Here's 1 unit. Here's Carol portion. And then the rest here is will be 6 unit. This is sold by John. Okay? So you know that John sold 35 more than Carol. John, how many units are there when we compare with Carol? Because when I bring them back into one big picture, you can see clearly that when Carol compare over here to the put back to the big picture, it's actually 1 unit. Here is 1 unit, and then here is 6 units. So in this case, 5 units will be equals to 35 tickets. Okay? So 1 unit will be 35 divided by 5 will give me 7 tickets. Okay? So the total they have 10 units. Total 10 units. So 10 units equals how many tickets? 10 times 7 equals 70 tickets. Okay? Because here is 7 tickets. But then how much was the total amount collected from the sales? So another thing, the same thing is we know that 1 ticket costs $5 from the question here. Okay? Since 1 ticket costs $5, so I have total of 70 tickets. Will give me 70 times 5 will be $350. So this is answer my B. Okay?